In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Shopify account in just a few minutes. Start by visiting the Shopify website and click on the Start Free Trial or Sign Up button. Enter your email address, create a password, and choose a store name or sign up quickly using your Google account. After signing up, Shopify will ask a few questions about your business, such as what you plan to sell and whether you're already running a business. Answer the questions and click Next to continue. You'll then be taken to your Shopify dashboard where you can enter your business details, including your address and contact information. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Once you're finished, you'll have access to your Shopify admin panel where you can customize your store, add products, choose a theme, and configure payment and shipping settings. That's it. Your Shopify account is now ready and you can start building your online store right away. Thanks for watching.